Hey, John Durham, Realtor Broker with the Durham Executive Group and Remax Results. I work with my wife, Becky, who's also a licensed realtor, and together we have about 40 years of combined real estate experience. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the Somerset, Wisconsin housing market as of the end of first quarter of 2022, say end of March. First, though, what we're going to talk a little bit about is how we're starting to see the market change. Things are happening, and we're going to start seeing changes happening where we've been seeing significant increases in appreciation for quite a few years in the Somerset housing market. And so if you look at the top of the screen, you're going to see that since March of last year, 2021, there's been a 20% decrease in the number of closed sales as it relates to March of this year. That's pretty significant. We have a supply and demand problem, and yet we saw a 20% decrease in the number of closed sales, okay? We have a whole lot of things going on right now. We have a lot of inflation, as we know. We also, inflation is far exceeding wages. Since August of last year, 2021, we've seen a 2-point increase as of this past Friday for interest rates. Now on a 30-year mortgage, it's up to 4.95%. We're going to see some more increases yet this year. What does that mean for buyers with the interest rate increase up to almost 5%? That basically means on a $500,000 home that you were thinking about buying, now if you were to put 20% down, you're essentially paying $450 more per month for that house. And so a lot of people are now starting to find that they can't afford to buy a home with the economy, with the interest rates and things of that nature. But in addition, we're starting to see, and the projection is, even though there's going to be some home increase in terms of appreciation here throughout the rest of this year, we're going to continue to see maybe as much as 6 to 8% less in terms of homes closing in the Somerset housing market in the next year. So just be aware, things are starting to change. So let's talk a little bit about exactly what's happening in the housing market right now. If you look at your chart, you'll see that back in March of 2021, the median sale price was $265,500. As of March of this year, it increased 20.1%, incredible numbers, all the way up to $321,000. Unbelievable numbers for those people that are selling their home or thinking of selling. This is definitely the time. Look at the lower left-hand corner of your screen. You're going to see the average sale price in Somerset back in March of 2021 was almost $288,000, and it bumped up to almost $348,000 for a 20.8% increase. Phenomenal numbers. If you're thinking you want to sell, reach out to Becky and myself at 651-231-2191. Talk to us about your goals, your time frames, and we'll talk to you about what we see short term with the housing market in Somerset, as well as what we can do to assist you achieve your goals. Again, contact us at 651-231-2191. I appreciate you taking time out to listen to my message today. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.